Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're going to be discussing a resource that's going to be really vital in the subject that we're going to be covering throughout the basis of this course, which is the concept of nutrition. But before we can dive into nutrition as a whole, what we need to break down is the simplest element of nutrition, which is the calorie. Now, the calorie is going to cover, as in the seen in our earlier map from the class, that the calorie is going to be covered in all of the different areas, whether it be fitness, health, or food consumption. And it'll be necessary to better understand not only what a calorie is, but how we can determine how many calories you should be consuming on a daily basis. So if you go online, there's a great resource at calculator.net/calorie-calculator. And using this resource, you're able to enter in a variety of different metrics that will allow you to calculate how many calories you should be consuming on a daily basis, which will enable us to better craft diets, fitness plans, and general health concepts that regard to your own personal health throughout this course. So we'll use myself for an example here. So my age is 20. I am a male. My height is 6 foot and 1 inch. And my weight currently is 220 pounds. Now, the biggest thing to consider right here is the activity, and you need to be honest with yourself. It can range anywhere from the basal metabolic rate, which is a BMR, to very active, which is an intense exercise of 6 to 7 times per week. Now, most of you, since we were in a high school class environment, are in the sedentary, which is little to or no exercise. Now, that can be increased whether you're in sports, band, etc., any sort of extracurricular activity that gets you out and involved, or whether it be utilizing some sort of other caloric intake. So I'm going to go with a moderate exercise about 4 to 5 times a week, and I'm going to press calculate. Now here displayed on the screen are the different weights and calories per day consumption that you should do. So if I'm attempting to maintain weight, I should be consuming about 3,000 calories per day. Now, if we want to go for a more mild to extreme weight loss, then the caloric deficit will increase as you are working to burn those calories rather than consume them. I hope this resource is useful, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me.